welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, first of all, let's have a look at the chart of DXY US dollar currency index. So as we all know, DXY is in downtrend. DXY is under the dominance of sellers for last couple of days, weeks and months. But right now, we can see that DXY is trying to take support around 101.50. DXY is trying to hold the mark. To all the fundamental factors are pointing towards a downside on DXY, but on the chart we can see that DXY has formed a falling wedge pattern, and falling wedge is a trend reversal pattern. Usually we get to see a trend reversal after a falling wedge. So in the coming days, we may see some sort of recovery, some sort of upside on the chart of DXY. But right now we don't have any news yet. But my dear friends, in my personal experience, I have seen that before the news, chart speaks the story. So if that's the case, then yes, there may be some upside on DXY and we may see a trend reversal or some sort of retracement or good amount of retracement on the chart of GBP USD. My dear friends, as long as DXY is trading above 101.25, it will try to hold the support, because on the daily chart we can see that 101.25 is the last support. If DXY fails to hold the support and falls below 101.25, then yes, things will be very, very critical. But right now, DXY is giving its best fight. Now, this is the weekly chart of GBP USD, and on the weekly chart, we can see that GBP USD is standing at the previous high here, and it looks like a double top kind of a pattern as well. And double top is a trend reversal pattern. So, my dear friends, if there is a trend reversal on GBP USD, do not be surprised. This is the daily chart of GBP USD, and we can see on the daily chart we do not have any such signal yet. But the weekly chart is saying that there is a possibility that GBP USD may see some trend reversal. And this is the 4-hour chart of GBP USD. And the overall levels that we have discussed in our previous videos are still very much intact, because we can see that though GBP USD is an uptrend, overall uptrend, but if we look at the present trend of the market, or simply focus on the present trend of the market, then we can see a range bound market, a choppy market. So overall trend may be towards the upside, but right now we can see a consolidation phase, we can see a range bound market. So as a result, the support and resistance that are available on the chart of GBP USD are still very much intact. We also have a trend line. We also have a trend, and which is also acting as a dynamic support for the market. But to be honest, I will not be personally placing any trades on the trend line. My focus will be on the 1.2300 level. In a previous analysis, we saw our levels working perfectly, so we can expect the same. So if market comes down on Monday, observe the market around 1.2300 level. That is our first support. Why we're considering this support? Because this is the Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level, as well as we have seen price rejection around this area. So if market comes to 1.2290 also, do not consider it as a breakdown. That is a support zone in the market. So observe the market at 1.2300. If you see market taking support, if you see price rejection from below, you can consider taking a buy position. In case the selling pressure is high, let's assume that market comes down with big red candle, then obviously selling pressure is very high, sellers are dominating the market. So as a result, you cannot expect the market to take support around 1.2300. In that case, your focus should be on the next support, that is 1.2265 or 1.2250, around this area. And the reason is Fibonacci 50% retracement level, as well as previous price rejection around this area. And in my experience, Fibonacci 50% retracement and Fibonacci 61% retracement levels are very strong in case of GBP USD especially. So 1.2265, 1.2250, this particular zone, okay, is a very strong support zone in the market. Do not take any sell position because overall chart may be towards the upside, okay, but this is a sideways market or range bound market. So if market takes support at the 1.2260, 1.2255 level, you can definitely consider the buy position, and the last support is around 1.2220, 1.2200. This is also a very good support. So we have got three supports on the chart of GBP USD. Okay, if market comes down, instead of taking a sell position, try to look for a buy position because overall trend is towards the upside. Means overall the buyers are very much present in this market, and secondly the present trend, okay, the present trend is sideways. Secondly, if market goes up, okay, if market starts going up, then the resistance zone, okay, that we have been discussing for the last couple of days is still, let's say, 1.2430 to 1.2450. This is still the resistance zone for the market, but the problem with the resistance zone is that market has already tested the resistance zone around 4 to 5 times. So as a result, next time you must be very careful, because right now the institutions know it very well that most of the retail traders have placed their sell position around this level and the stop losses are around this level here. So whenever a level becomes very common in the market, okay, usually the institutions go hunt, they are out for some stop loss hunting or some liquidity grab. So in this case, okay, if you see a breakout, if you see market breaking the resistance and going up, do not take a sell position, so buy position immediately, considering it as a breakout. If you see a breakout also, okay, wait for some time, because the level has become too common. There's a high chance that after hitting some stop losses or hunting down some stop losses, market will be coming down again. If it reverses again, if it is inside the range again, you can take a sell position, because you will get the confirmation that okay, market has done the stop loss hunting, so it is back inside the range again. You can consider taking a sell position. But in case market doesn't come down, then just leave it. Okay, just wait for the market to retrace, because eventually market will come down for retracement, and then you can go for a buy position. That will be a safer entry, because if you take a buy position here just at a breakout, there's a high chance that you may get trapped also. Okay, and if market reverses normally, if you see market reversing from here only, then you can take a sell position. But keep in mind, follow proper risk management. Okay, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Keep in mind, a trader's first priority is capital protection. Okay, and my dear friends, world's most affordable forex trading workshop is back. The date is there in the description in the website. Okay, my dear friends, if you are serious about your trading, if you really like my work, then you can consider joining the workshop, because I conduct these workshops after every 2 or 3 months. Okay, I don't know when I'll be conducting the next workshop. So if you really like my work, then please visit the link in the description. Please join the Pro Trader program. After you enter, you will see a questionnaire like this. So the workshop has been designed mostly for traders who have been struggling, okay, not for beginners, complete beginners, and not for traders who are looking for signals only. This is for those who are very much serious about their trading, who really also take up trading as a serious source of income or as a career. So if you think that you fall into this category, okay, then you can consider joining the workshop. I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. Okay, the workshop is under the Pro Trader program. So in the Pro Trader program, there are many benefits. Okay, I do many things. Okay, so hopefully you will love. And the best part is that after the workshop, you will also receive support for 1 month. Okay, so my dear friends, if possible, try to join the workshop. Okay, I'm very much sure that you'll love it. Okay, it's a 3 days workshop. Okay, everything is mentioned on the website, and you can see the price is only $15, 1,000 rupees. Okay, so $15, 3 days workshop, 1 month support. Okay, it cannot be better, isn't it? The date is 2nd, 3rd, and 4th of Feb. timing is mentioned here. Okay, once you are done with the payment, okay, everything is mentioned here. You can simply send a WhatsApp message. I'll add you to the group. Bye bye. Take care.